It's windy. I'm not appreciating it. It's one of the good things though about having our stove where we can cook inside and out for rain or, you know, 500-mile-an-hour wind. We're on a peninsula on Lake Texoma. It's crazy windy, and that doesn't bode well for cooking outside.
No.
It will blow the flame all the way out. So we have searched and searched for ways to make toast on a propane stove. I've tried it a lot of different ways. I think I've finally hit on the best way to do it. Butter your bread. Cooking in a skillet. At least I'm not frustrated by the wind. Hey y'all, so we're at my mother's house. Hadn't seen her in a bit, so time to come see mama. Hey mom, here in a couple of days, we're gonna go to a bridge out that way. Really cool old bridge that they don't even use anymore. It's really neat. Uncle's here, my daughter's here. Son came by a little bit ago. It's a good time. But anyway, we'll see y'all in a bit. Carpenters Bluff Bridge. This actually goes over the Red River, east of Denison, Texas. I like it out here because there's just no graffiti anywhere. No one has seen fit to spray a bunch of paint.
Yeah.
Those are cows bellering.
Yeah. On that side.
On the Oklahoma side.
Yeah.
Texas isn't good enough to have cows.
I mean, they do have
Apparently. Because
Yeah,
Texas isn't known for having cattle. All right. I think there might be owls making love over there. I'm not really sure. I actually have a friend who actually jumped off here at one point.
Oh yeah.
Not me. I will not jump off here.
I don't think it's deep enough to break your fall that much, and besides that, when you get that...
No, I mean, if there was, you know, when there's a lot more water, I still wouldn't do it. So there's that. Up until just a few years ago, this was actually the only way to get across right here. They put in this new modern bridge. It was sketchy. I don't mind walking on it, but I don't want to bring the van across it. So. Set the camera up a little bit ago, and a guy watched us set the GoPro on the ground, watched us do it. We took off walking, just wanted to get a shot of Rachel and I. Homeboy walked directly in front of it, walked right back and got in behind us, so it's just him. Like, he saw us doing it. I don't like people sometimes. That's like, why would you do that? Why, just to be a jerk? I didn't say anything. But
it's like his sole purpose in this day was to ruin that shot.
Yeah. He said, I did that, now I can leave. I can leave.
I can leave now.
He came out here to look. He goes, oh, wait, I can mess up their shot.
Yay.
And then he messed up our shot. Well, see you later. Rachel's like, nope. It's starting to come down pretty good. This is definitely a GoPro day. She's... Nope. Bye. Oh, so we waited a little while to come out here so we could, you know, might be a little damp. I didn't realize. It's gonna, I mean, it's the Oklahoma-Texas line in spring. What else do you expect? At least it's lush here. I know a lot of people have a misconception that Oklahoma and Texas are dry and nasty looking. Yeah, that's pretty lush.
Yeah.
It's foliage. It's folialicious, if you will. This is Matt Foley, who lives in a van down by the river. I'm a motivational speaker. So, this has been fun.
Yeah. Sorry.
Yeah, I'm worried about my hair, too.
Well.
I'm concerned about it.